When I fall and grow weary, you remain faithful by my side. In the midst of storms and darkest nights, your light never fades. Your love never ends, always here for me. No love compares to yours. You hold my hand, wipe away my tears. Jesus, you are my everything. When I doubt and feel like giving up, your gentle voice calls me back. You lift my burdens, you heal my heart. My source of life is found in you. Oh, I will not fear, you are with me. Your promises stand, never failing. Through every season of my life, I will walk in your love. Your love never ends, always here for me. No love compares to yours. You hold my hand, wipe away my tears. Jesus, you are my everything. Until my last breath, I will worship your name. Jesus, you are my King forever. When I doubt and feel like giving up, your gentle voice calls me back. You lift my burdens, you heal my heart, wipe away my tears. Jesus, you are my everything. I will not fear, you are with me. Your gentle voice calls me back. You lift my burdens, you heal my heart. My source of life is found in you. I will not fear, you are with me. You are with me. Your promises stand, never failing, forever failing. Until my last breath, I will worship your name. Jesus, you are my King forever. When I fall and grow weary, you remain faithful by my side. In the midst of storms and darkest nights, your light never fades. Your love never ends, always here for me. No love compares to yours. You hold my hand, wipe away my tears. Jesus, you are my everything. When I doubt and feel like giving up, your gentle voice calls me back. You lift my burdens, you heal my heart. My source of life is found in you. Oh, I will not fear, you are with me. Your promises stand, never failing. Through every season of my life, I will walk in your love. like giving up. Your gentle voice calls me back. You lift my burdens, you heal my heart, wipe away my tears. Jesus, you